gwapo nabilin nga card sa ako. Paro-paro. Birthday blessings. September 28, 2021. Money. God's creations are richly blessed, each day with its unique wonders. Life with its own radiance. May God's blessings continue to shine down on you as you celebrate the perfect day. You will welcome into the world. Daddy Boy 2X. From the fullness of His grace, we have all received one blessings after another. John 1:16 NIV. Mami, happy first birthday. Nadugang naman edad mo. Longga gidi rapper ni. Sila yung panandong ko lang na para kapermi sa gayon ng kilos. Nabilang kami nagbalat sa agad. Palaka kay nanay kay obserbahan kuman siya kay bantayan kung may ginabatyag o kung wala ani puli ka na di para sa sadya daliwan kubando na ko kagulat sa inyo pero wala ko gapon love you mami. Happy birthday. Guwapa akong